Hello students, our today's topic is post correspondence problem. So about PCP, it is a classic undecidable problem. It was introduced by Emil Post in the year 1946. Input. So we have two finite lists in the form of F and S over some input alphabets. It can be 0, 1 or it can be small a, small b. Next, the output is you need to generate the same sequence of strings using some k. So we have two ways or methods for the representation of PCP. The first method is called dominoes and the another method is called tables. So the first method, dominoes. So here your input strings will be given in the form of dominoes. So we have 4 dominoes in this example. So this is your first domino, this is your second domino, this is third, and this one is the fourth. So you will be given some strings in the form of dominoes. So what you have to do, we need to find a sequence of dominoes such that the top and the bottom strings are the same. In other words, you can say that we need to do rearrangement of the dominoes so that you will get the same sequence in numerator and same sequence in case of denominator. So you can use any domino any number of times. There is no restriction on the domino usage. So find finite sequence such that the numerator and denominator becomes the same. So let's proceed with this example. So the solution is you will always start with that domino whose first symbol is same. That is, in this case, second domino is having same value, that is A and A. And in all other dominoes, note the first value is matching. For example, in first domino, first value is B and here is C. This is C and A. Here A and C. It means in this case, the matching values are same. So the sequence is 2, 1, 3, 2, 4. So this is the solution for this domino. With the usage of this value, you will get the same sequence of strings in case of numerator and in case of denominator. So the string is ABC, triple ABC in case of numerator and ABC, triple ABC in case of denominator. So this is our solution. Next example. So this is the representation in case of tables. So here your first list, that is A. So you have to write all the values of A this way and all the values of B this way. Then 1 by 111. So it will form your first domino. 1 0 111 over 1 0. So it will form your second domino. 1 0 over 0. It means your third domino. So again you will have to find out the sequence, right? So I have decided the value of k is equals to 4. So on this 4 I will get my unique solution. So that is 2113. So using this value you will get the same values for numerator and denominator. So the sequence is 2113. Next. So as discussed in our first slide, this is a classic undecidable problem. So why it is called undecidable problem? So some PCP cannot be solvable because of infinite loops. That is the reason it is called undecidable problem. So let's see the example. So here in this case again you will be given your two lists in the form of tables, right? So in this case if I will start, because my initial value under first domino is same, that is 1 and 1, and in all the other two dominoes the value is not same. Here the first value is 0, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 0. So you will have to start with this domino. So I will place my first domino over here. So you will get 1 0 1 0 1. After that I will use third value. So after using third value 1 0 1 1 0 1 over 0 1 1. So in this case I will enter into infinite loop. So this PCB does not have any solution. That is the reason we may call this problem as undecidable problem.